Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, Let's Homeschool Together. I am the mom to 3 wonderful kids, ages 6, 4, and a baby. And today joining me is my first grade daughter.
Hi.
I'm a first-time homeschooling mom and we are super excited to officially begin our homeschool year. I know that as a first-time homeschooling parent, there is so much to learn because now you're not only the parent, but also the school teacher as well. I think that one of the biggest tasks as a new homeschool parent is probably choosing the right curriculum for your child. You go online and there are lists with so many choices that it can be a bit overwhelming. And so now the question is, how do I choose the right curriculum for my kids? For the past year, my daughter had already been enrolled in school, so she had already started a reading program. Initially, I thought I would just go ahead and buy the next level in that reading program, only to find out that it was incredibly expensive. And the reason for that is that it is designed for a classroom setting. So a big chunk of that program wasn't even going to apply to us. Here I learned that you want to go ahead and choose a program that is designed with a homeschool family in mind. The next thing is you want to figure out what is your child's learning style. This is very important because a curriculum that works for one child might not work for another child. So my daughter is a visual and kinesthetic learner. And that means that she learns best by doing things or working with her hands. With this in mind, we decided to purchase the All About Reading program. This is a multi-sensory program and you can find more information on their website, but basically this program is designed for many different learning styles. So let's get to the exciting part so you know what I'm talking about. So this is the All About Reading Level 1 package. Okay, so we're gonna open it.
I'm gonna do it.
I should do this, and then you can cut it like this, yeah?
No.
Okay. Let me do the sides and you do the... What is this? You like it? You like it? Okay. So we're gonna take out, okay? So this package comes with readers. This is Run Bug Run for you. We also have the Runs Pig for you. Put it right there. And we have Cobweb the Cat. It's for you too. And by the way, the new edition is colored. It's colored, it has colors. It also comes with a teacher's manual. This one's for me. And this is the level 1 student packet. So this one comes with the Blast Off to Reading activity book, phonogram cards, word cards, viewfinder bookmark, and stickers for progress chart. Stickers. Okay, this one's for you too. And you'll also have to purchase the reading interactive kit. And this is what I was talking about, that I meant that this was a multi-sensory program. So the reading interactive kit comes with a phonogram, sounds app, and also color-coded letter tiles. And then we have the phonogram cards review. That's it. You want to open the other ones too?
Which one?
So this one.
Don't get.
Okay, don't get this. So these are your books. Yeah, you want to read this? You want to open this?
Mm-hmm.
So now we're going to open the student kit. Just go there.
Sticker.
Mm-hmm.
What's this? Red.
Okay. So this is the, so here we have a viewfinder bookmark, and this is a bookmark. This little hole here is so that you don't lose your place on the page. Keeps you focused on where you are reading. This. See? Okay, you're reading, let's say you're reading Let's see this. Let's read the first one. It says tin wrapped. So tin wrapped. So it's just a little bookmark for you to just shows you.
Also, like, if you forget what it is, it could just
So it's this. So right here, you have Kent.
help his
And then you could also use it like a bookmark like this. See? Put it away. This is the Blast Off to Reading Learning Activity book. This is for you. And check it out. Check it out. You want to check it out? So I'm gonna do. This is gonna be mine. So I'm gonna read from here. Look. This is what is this called? The book. You write down the day, your book, the title, and like here's the activity. See? So every day we're gonna do one activity. It's all activities. Like an ice cream activity, another activity. See, we're gonna read the stories. Do the activity, a monster activity. So this is just full of activities.
What's the last one? And the last one. This is now for these pieces. What he eats, we put it right there.
I think so. When we get there, we're gonna see. Okay. Look, what is it here?
Cat. So that's the cat.
That's a cap. And what else is a cap?
A cat is this.
So we have that one. Thank you guys for watching today's video. I hope you liked it. Remember to like the video, leave any comments or questions below, and subscribe. In this channel, we'll upload weekly videos documenting our first year of homeschool. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's homeschool together.